In this video, I'm going to show you how to design Java Swing Form using WindowBuilder in Eclipse by building a simple employee access system. This application allows users to enter username, password, and designation, and based on the selected role, the system will open a different dashboard. Okay, in Eclipse, go to File, New, select Java Project. Name the project Employee Access System and click Finish. Next, we will create the main form for the application. Select New, choose Other. Under Window Builder, select Swing Designer and then Gframe. Name the class Employee Login Form and click Finish. Now the form is created. Next, we will go to the Design view and set the layout to Null so you can position the components freely. Next, I will design the user interface. You will put labels, text fields, and buttons. Okay, drag and drop all the required components inside. We will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 components. I think so. There will be text field, will be 5 labels, 1 combo box, and 2 buttons. Rename properly so that you can access them later on in your code. So make sure they are properly named like the one advised in the Java documentation. Next, I will add a functionality to the buttons. Right click the login button, go to add event handler and select action perform. Inside this method, retrieve the username, password, and designation entered by the user. Then we will validate the input and check it against predefined employee accounts. If the details are correct, the system opens the corresponding dashboard based on the user's role. Otherwise, an error message will be displayed. Okay, here is the easiest way to insert data inside the combo box. Click on the model and add the data line by line. This is much easier than typing them in the code behind. Right, so the first code displays a message to the user using a dialog box showing a welcome message. Then it opens a new window, which is the HR dashboard. Finally, it closes the current login form so that only the dashboard remains visible. Next, we will add the event handler for the clear button. Inside this method, I will reset all the input fields to the default values. Okay, so I have created 3 additional forms: the manager dashboard, the HR dashboard, and the staff dashboard. Each dashboard displays a simple interface based on the employee role. Finally, I run the application and test it using different user roles to demonstrate how the system works. Alright, so that's how you can design Java Swing Form using WindowBuilder in Eclipse and build a simple employee access system. In this project, we have created a user interface using drag and drop components and implemented basic event handling to navigate between different forms based on user roles. You can further improve this system by connecting it to a database, adding more features, or enhancing the user interface design. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.